Hello and welcome. Today, I'm pleased to introduce the Daikin Compact R, designed to deliver high energy efficiency, advanced heat recovery, and installation flexibility, all within a compact footprint for modern commercial buildings. Let's explore the main features and look at 8 good reasons to choose Compact R. First of all, Compact R has been developed with versatility in mind. Thanks to a wide range of accessories, including electric heaters, hot water coils, additional filtration stages, and sound attenuators, the unit can be configured precisely to meet the needs of each project. As a result, whether you're working with offices, schools, retail spaces, or restaurants, Compact R adapts easily, delivering comfort, performance, and excellent indoor air quality across a broad range of commercial applications. Moving on, Compact R provides a fully integrated solution for maximum efficiency. It integrates seamlessly with Daikin AHU DX kits, creating a coordinated system under a single control platform and keeping the footprint compact. At the same time, this solution supports electrification and decarbonization, enabling heating without gas boilers. Compatibility with R410A and R32, as well as integration with VRV R32 systems, ensures flexibility, safety, and future-ready performance. In addition, Compact R significantly reduces energy use thanks to its rotary heat recovery wheel, available in condensation or sorption versions. This technology recovers both sensible and latent heat from the exhaust air. Consequently, energy demand is lowered while temperature and humidity levels remain stable. The outcome is clear: lower operating costs and improved indoor comfort all year round. Another important advantage is reduced maintenance. Compact R features a robust filtration setup with EPM 150% filters on supply air and EPM 1075% filters on return air. Because of this, internal components are better protected, indoor air quality remains high, and maintenance requirements are reduced, ensuring reliable operation throughout the unit's entire life cycle. At the same time, this unit delivers reliable, cost-effective performance. High-efficiency EC fans provide precise airflow control while reducing energy consumption and noise levels. As a result, the unit integrates easily with modern building management systems and adapts to real operating conditions, offering stable, efficient ventilation day after day. Equally important is performance transparency. Compact R is Eurovent certified, meaning that all performance data is independently verified. For designers and consultants, this translates into confidence, reduced risk, and full reliability, ensuring the unit delivers exactly what is specified, with no compromises. Next, let's look at logistics and installation. Thanks to a make-to-stock production approach, Compact R offers fast availability and short lead times. Larger sizes are delivered in modular sections for easier handling, simplifying installation, even in retrofit projects or confined indoor spaces. In addition, plug-and-play delivery further reduces on-site time and complexity. Finally, Compact R supports optimized indoor air quality through smart control. It enables decentralized ventilation with individual control per room or zone. When combined with Daikin IEQ sensors and demand-controlled ventilation, airflow automatically adapts to real IAQ conditions, optimizing both comfort and energy use. Furthermore, integration with Daikin on-site allows remote monitoring and diagnostics, while the Pro Open Control platform ensures full interoperability with BMS systems. To conclude, Daikin Compact R combines compact design, heat recovery, smart control, and certified performance into one flexible solution for modern commercial buildings. In short, it delivers efficiency, comfort, and reliability exactly where space and energy matter most. Thank you for your attention.